We cannot change the name of centrifuge to a machine that does merry-go-round. That's funny. Who does that? As the grandson of a noble sugar beet farmer, I am super happy and excited to present to you today's topic. It's a task one for the academic module, and the topic is about sugar. So welcome to IELTS Juice. Let's start assessing and improving a task one report together. The rubric says, the diagram below shows the manufacturing process for making sugar from sugarcane. And here is the visual. You have sugarcane that takes 12 to 18 months. That's the first step. And then you harvest it either manually with a scythe, or you use machines like tractors or combines or combine harvesters. And then you enter the factory. And from the factory, the first element is to crush them. Then there is this machine, a limestone filter that filters and gives us the juice. The juice goes into another machine called evaporator, and it becomes more dense because you heat it, and water inside it will be evaporated. Then there is another step that you use a centrifuge, and you separate sugar, the crystallized sugar here, because it's so dense. Sugar tends to get crystallized. And the final step is just to let it dry and let it lose all the remaining moisture inside it. That's the whole process. Another important thing is to note here are these little numbers. These are steps. And you know me, I think always that IELTS does images with purpose. So instead of creating a circle, here we have 1, 2, and basically 3 steps. And that means you need one level that the farmer is heavily involved in growing sugarcanes. Once it is done, especially in the US, again, this is not on this task, I'm just telling you with some of my background information that you need help, because that's just a huge field. And there are so many sugar canes to harvest. You cannot do it alone. Depending on the scale and the size of your farm, of course, you can ask for help. And there are other people who come and help the farmers. And they might be other farmers, they might be contractors. They come with their own machines. So they bring tractors and lorries and combines, and they gather the harvest in the shortest amount of time possible. That's a critical element. From that point on, you enter the factory, and the factory starts producing sugar all the way till the end. I see 3 major steps. You can say there are 7 steps. Fine. Some people might look at it and say, oh, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 machines involved. Good, there are 6 machines. Either way, I want you to get the available information in front of you and use it to your advantage. Based on that, let's read the sample. The provided diagram. Before I begin, I need to have the diagram side by side, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Let's begin. The provided diagram depicts the process through which sugarcane is grown, harvested, and later processed into sugar. Straightforward, 3 main elements: grown, harvested, and manufactured. It is a straightforward process composed of 7 main steps. Beautiful, beautiful. There are 7 main steps. You can see the numbers. We say main steps because there might be some smaller steps involved. When we say steps, we want to get it at the highest score possible. So every opportunity counts. You can say main steps, you can say significant steps, you can use some other adjectives to describe these steps or stages. So be smart and try to use every opportunity to show off your range of vocabulary. First, sugar canes are grown in the field. All right. It is a relatively lengthy process lasting between 12 to 18 months. That is correct information. We are here. Then the sugar canes are harvested either manually or by using sophisticated machinery suitable for harvesting sugar canes in mass quantities. All good. I wish we could say or we could see some names here like tractors, lorries, combine harvesters. If you know the words, please use them. If you don't know or you are not sure 100% what they are called, that is still fine. With this sentence, you still have a chance to get 7 or maybe slightly higher. So don't worry about that. But this is an opportunity for you to show off your vocabulary and the vocabulary appropriate for this task, because we can use sophisticated in any report that they throw at us. We can use sophisticated. Basically, it's a generic word. But if you want a higher score for specifically for your vocabulary, try to use specific words for this genre if you know them. It's always better to be safe. So don't take risks. If you know, use it. If not, use generic words that you know, and that will be fine. The harvested sugar canes at this stage, all right, in order to avoid the repetition, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, a very mechanical way to report that, we can play. We say first, then, and then the third stage, you don't say thirdly, you don't say that. You say, you start the harvested sugar canes at this stage, and it's very well punctuated because this should appear at the beginning, but you deliberately put it in the middle of the sentence, so you correctly punctuate it, are fed into a machine to be crushed. Okay, there is a crushing section. Yeah, there's sugar canes and the juice comes out of it. The outcome is sugar cane juice, entering the fourth stage to be purified. This is the stage to purify juice. All right, so far so good. A limestone filter is responsible for purifying this juice. I like that. This is correct. As you can see, we are using every opportunity and we are using the words given to us, plus we don't just copy them. We try to also play and try to paraphrase them in any shape and form that is possible. For instance, if this machine is called limestone filter, you cannot change it to something else. If it's called limestone filter, then we don't change it. But if it says purifying juice, it means you purify the juice, so you can change the word purifying into to purify the juice that comes out of crushing sugar cane or sugar canes. As this juice still carries moisture, the evaporator machine heats the juice up to the point that it thickens and gets transformed into syrup. So evaporator juice becomes syrup. Now we change it to transforms into. It's not entirely a transformation. It really gets thickened and becomes syrup. But yeah, for the lack of a better word, we say transform, but really doesn't transform. It's just a little liquid and then it's less liquid. That's all. It's not a complete transformation. In the sixth step, sugar crystals are separated from the syrup using the centrifugal force. A centrifugal force. You see, we changed it. This is good. It's a very good way to show off your range of vocabulary instead of saying, yeah, there's a centrifuge. Finally, the warm sugar is left to be dried and cooled down. This is the sugar dried and cooling. Again, we are not using drying and cooling. We say it is left to be dried and cooled. All terms, if we are allowed, we can paraphrase. Remember, we cannot change the names of these machines. We cannot change the name of centrifuge to a machine that does merry-go-round. That's funny. Who does that? So, or a machine that goes round and round and round. Don't change the proper names, proper nouns. But you can change the name of the process. You can change the name of the stage. Those are possible. The name of a stage, if you can change, by the way. If it's a very specific name, then no. You will understand which ones to change and which ones not to touch. Finally, overall, producing sugar from sugar cane requires diligent effort and a heavily mechanized process. A very generic sentence, which is correct. You don't have to say anything. It's a mechanized system. The majority of the picture I can see is composed of machines. There are many machines here. I see crusher. I see combine harvester, lorries, trucks. There's a heater. There's an evaporator, a centrifuge, a limestone filter. So there are many machines involved. You can use that to your advantage, and you can use it as an overview. 169 words. I'm going to look at the band descriptors, so bear with me. I'll be back. I'm back. Let's look at the band descriptors. There you go. Well, let's start from grammatical range and accuracy. Yes, there are many complex structures. There's a variety of complex structures we saw, not wide, but there's a variety out there. Many of them, many of them are successful. Very, very little, maybe not even errors, but to improve clarity, maybe we could use better structures just to give us a better message. Now, at this point, really, it's very hard to comment. You have to be in the mind of the writer to understand what to change and what really the writer wanted to say. And some sentences, again, no errors. Communication was 100% healthy, not natural, but healthy. As for vocabulary, nothing's wrong. Nothing's wrong here. Just we needed a more specialized words to call it a wide range of vocabulary. Words like sophisticated or mechanized. These are good words, but they're very generic. We may need some more specific words, specific for this genre to see, and that is not easy. You know, if you know the word, for example, combine harvester, that's something you might want to know, you might want to use, or viscous, that the juice in evaporator loses water and becomes more viscous. It loses its water. That's what I wanted to say. So if you know these words, they can help you get a 9. But if you don't, as you can see, you will not be punished. You still have the chance to get a 7, which is a very high score. The The report was very successful in achieving the task. I mean, all the elements almost were covered. It's all 9. It's just not 100% 9, because we should have named the machines in the harvesting section, or you could name that individual who has a scythe. If you know how to spell scythe, that would boost your vocabulary range. So the writer here didn't know how to use the scythe or to spell it out, or to spell it. So it doesn't matter. Again, you are awarded an 8 nonetheless. This is 7, bordering 7.5. If you wish to see the improved version, I think we improved it to 8. The link is in the description, and you will be directed to the IELTS Juice website. You will have 2 samples, this sample and the improved version below that. If you wish to see other videos about task 1 or maybe task 2, you know where to click. And as always, I hope I'll be assessing your task 1s or task 2s later on. Take care.